banger of a video. I guess I have fallen into the depths of idiocy. Crappy intro as usual. How you doing? Fan requested video. I know. I can get into it when I say I have fans and fan requested videos because it's awesome as shit. Now you better like this video, or I'm gonna bust out the. Oh, don't worry about that. That's some custom minifigure videos coming soon, maybe. And don't worry about that. That's a mess. I haven't cleaned my table in all year. If you don't like this video, in 3 seconds, I know this is an old dead meme now, but I'm gonna unleash the Lego Twisted Iced Tea can on you. It won't focus, but yeah, you get the fan requested video. Shout out to you. I think his name was Rhino. I'm pretty sure Rhino. Yeah. He wanted to know that if you could dock the in-game Hulk Helicarrier on the not the Hulk Helicarrier, Hulk Smash Copter, Hulk Helicopter Carrier, then on the Helicarrier from 2020. I honestly never thought of this. I don't think it'll work. The feet, the rear feet are just a little too wide, but let's all find today together. Obviously, you have to remove this. I have an unmodified version because I kind of like the competition cannon piece. But I'm going to remove the wings. Just the one. So we can all see. Or I'll remove that too. Sure, that'll work. You will have to remove the competition cannon. Damn. But as you can see, you will have to there's a plus side to not cleaning. No, you'll definitely have to do some modifications. You'll have to put a jumper piece right. You'll have to put a couple jumpers right here in the middle. Right there. Maybe a couple plates right there, and then some more jumpers to interact with the middle prong foot. But as of no modification, you can park that bad boy right on top. Does look quite ugly, I'm not gonna lie. Maybe you can bring these feet back, lock them on. Yeah, there we go. And then bam, that actually works a bit better. Can we? Could we? No, we can't. That would be cool, though. Let me get a little more in. Try this on for size. No. You can put the helicopter on there, but you cannot put the mini Quinjet on there. So, I do hope this helps. I assume since you asked and hadn't tried it yourself, you don't have either the Helicarrier or the thing. Oh, Jesus. I don't know why. As soon as I start recording, I start yawning. What the hell? But, yeah, that, can work. That just looks unique, I will say. Mm. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video, and peace.